Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to apply for a digital nomad visa in Portugal. Now, the process is very simple. So firstly what you have to do is simply gather required documents. So the documents are passport, so ensure your passport is valid for intended duration of your stay. Then proof of accommodation, so you need evidence of where you will stay in Portugal. This can be a rental agreement or a hotel reservation. Then you may also have to give financial documents, so prepare your bank statement or other financial proof to demonstrate your financial stability during the stay. Then you may also have to give health insurance, so obtain a comprehensive health insurance that covers your entire stay in Portugal. Then you also have to give a work contract or proof of remote work, so provide documents that prove your remote work agreements. So after that, simply schedule an appointment by contacting the Portugal consulate or embassy in your home country, or schedule an appointment for visa application. You can also check their official website for specific requirements and appointment procedure, and then just simply fill out the digital nomad visa application form provided by the consulate, and be thorough and accurate in your responses. Then pay the visa application fee as required by the consulate. Then attend a scheduled appointment at the Portuguese consulate or embassy and submit your complete application form with the required documents and proof of fee payments. Then just simply wait for the processing, because the processing time for a digital nomad visa may vary, but it usually takes several weeks, so be patient. And you should also be prepared for potential request for additional documents or information during the processing period. Then once your application is approved, you will receive a notification from the consulate. Now after your approval is confirmed, you will have a limited window, usually 4 months, to enter the Portugal after your visa is approved, so plan your travel accordingly. So after arriving in Portugal, you must register your residency with the specific time frame and also follow the local registration procedure as instructed by the Portuguese authorities. Then in the end, all you have to do is just simply enjoy your nomad life with your digital nomad visa. You can now live and work in Portugal while exploring the country and experiencing its culture. So lastly, an important side note, please note that the visa requirement and processes can change over time. So it's crucial to check the official webpage of the Portuguese consulate or embassy in your country for the most current and detailed information on applying for a digital nomad visa in Portugal. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.